In this video, I'm going to show you how to check battery health of your Android device. So there are two ways to check this. On some phones, they have this on settings and battery. Unfortunately, not all Android devices has this battery health indicator in their battery settings. So for those that who don't have the same settings, all we have to do is go to Play Store. We search for battery health. Now Play Store will going to give you a bunch of lists, but for me, I'll suggest this one in the middle, the Accu battery. Tap install. And now let's open the app. So when you open it, it's gonna show their introduction. And what I like about Accu battery is that it is based on scientific research. So just gotta scroll left. So when you install the app, avoid charging your phone so it could calibrate. So now let's tap continue. Then input your battery capacity. If you don't know your battery capacity, then just Google your mobile phone's model and see specs. So in there you can find your battery capacity. And now let's tap finish. Now tap health. Since the app is still new, you can't see your battery health yet. So you have to use the app for like 1 week so that it can calculate your battery health. And after a week, I was able to determine my battery health. So that's it, guys. That's how you check your Android phone's battery health. And I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future solutions to all your digital problems. And see you on the next one. Bye!